You never know what you'll find in the universe of my mind. Hi! So you might be wondering why you're looking at a block of ice. It's because I finally got around to trying ice carving or sculpting today. And it was fun. It has its challenges, of course, but I think I might want to try again one day soon. This winter the weather has been very, very cold, and so whatever I carve might survive a few days, so that's kind of cool, because I put it outside when I was done. I tried to make an owl that I saw, but it failed, so I turned the block around to the other side and tried to make a face, and it failed. So I turned the block around again to try and make a face out of the owl, and so this is sort of my third attempt in a way, but overall it's my first ice carving session. So then I put it on the remains of a snow sculpture that I had there, but it was starting to get dark, so it was hard to get a photo.